Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a new document from like folders on Windows 11. So for instance, when you press new, you can of course create a new folder, but you can also create new shortcut, Microsoft Access database, etc., etc. You can even create a Microsoft Word document, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, etc. So for instance, I want to create a Microsoft Word document. I'm just going to click that. It's going to be empty, but you can like rename it song, for instance, song solo, and then you can then open the file later. So it's already like, this feature already created a document for you, but it's still empty, and you can click on it to of course write something in. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!